let's get into how to bedazzle Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Kiss. For our project today, we're going to need some rhinestones, a nail file, a wax pencil, and liquid fusion glue. We're going to start off by sanding our Brazilian Kiss, just a light sand because it does have a lot of details that I want to keep, and then wipe it down with alcohol. I'm going to start off with the top. I'm going to do my base layer, and then I'm going to fill in with rhinestones all the way into the middle. I did use size 5M rhinestones, and that last one was a 3M rhinestone. Next is the top of the Brazilian Kiss. I'm going to start off with my foundation line because I am using the honeycomb method for this particular chapstick. So that's what I'm just doing here, and I'm making sure that my lines are straight. And then I'm going to go in with the honeycomb method, which you're placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to give that honeycomb look. I'm going to continue to do this. And the rhinestones that I'm using today is the clear transparent rhinestones. I do offer them in my Etsy shop. I feel like it's a game changer for small details that you just want to tackle with one size rhinestone, and you don't have to go crazy trying to figure out what color is this and how I'm going to do this. I say just go with the clear transparent. You can't go wrong. It's super easy, and you still see the details. May not be as detailed as, like, you know, if you use the 2M, or even, I don't know if a 1M exists. I would never use it, but that's just my personal preference. But yeah, I'm just going in with the clear transparent. I feel like it's very versatile. I think everybody should have a clear transparent rhinestone when they're first starting out, especially because it is a game changer. And when you're doing like projects like this, you don't want to be discouraged because it's overwhelming and it just seems like too much dealing with all those different color rhinestones. So I highly recommend you guys look into clear transparent rhinestones. And here is the finished part of the cap. You can still see the logo, so let's move on to the next, which is the bottom part of the cap. I just turned it upside down because it was more flexible for me. I'm going to start off with my foundation line, of course. Make sure this line is straight as possible because it can determine what happens next with the rest of the lines. And I'm just going to go in with the 5M size rhinestone. So I just want to remind you just to take your time, especially when you're dealing with clear rhinestones and clear glue, because it can get a little tricky. I remember one time I had missed a spot and I was looking at my honeycomb method and I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it. And I just double checked and I missed a spot. So just remember to take your time. Rhinestoning should be therapeutic, you know? Here is where I realized that the 5M rhinestone was going to block the opening of the lip butter. So instead of applying a 5M rhinestone, I just applied a thin straight line of 3M rhinestones. And this is what we got done so far, and we're going to move on to the bottom part. Before you start bedazzling the bottom part, I recommend you at least wait 30 minutes to an hour so that the glue can dry, so you don't mess up the ones from the cap or the body of the lip butter. It's just easier that way. And here is the final product. I think it came out so good. I can't wait to use it or go out and just show people what I got that is bedazzled. But let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.